So the other thing that I want to mention is that these pushes can be an evolving and dynamic process that can evolve and change over time. So for example, you could have some push like push 1, 2, 3 that might be relevant this week but not later. Or for just to make it more practical, let's say that QA and code review is no longer part of your job responsibilities. So you can just push that one down and out of the way, or you could completely just delete it. Additionally, what you can do is if you want to kind of like change your pushes over time, you can just here add a column here, and we'll make it a select column, and we'll call this status, and then we'll make an option that's inactive, and then we'll make another one that is called active, and then you can change the color to green. And this one is red. That one's brown. Red. Make it red now. And so now what you could do is you could actually make this one inactive, and you can make these ones active. So if you wanted to do it that way, just in case one is not relevant now, or you decide to turn off one because you have other things that need more focus right now. So just remember that, when you split the quantity of pushes that you're doing daily is 2 to 4, right? So the more initiatives you have, the more split out your units of focused work are. So obviously, the less number of pushes that you have is going to mean that you're going to put more focused push into those, and you're going to push them further. And if you have, for example, here, I got 4 pushes that are active, so I'm splitting my work hours between these 4. So I'm obviously going to get less done than if I only had one item active and I was putting all of my hours into it, right? So how you split your time over multiple pushes is going to determine how much overall push you get for one type of push. But I think you can kind of see where this is going. But yeah, having this status column could be helpful. And also, this is a dynamic process. You can move these around on a week-to-week basis when you do your weekly organization and determine which one is the highest priority for this week. And then additionally, you could just delete some of these or completely redo them. But yeah, I hope that was helpful. And again, any questions, feel free to reach out.